Once upon a time, in a land where the summer sun blazed like a fiery king, there lived a clever little crow. This was no ordinary crow, oh no. This crow had a sparkle in its eye and a quickness to its wings that set it apart from the rest. The heart of this scorching summer was ruthless, leaving every water hole in the vicinity as dry as the desert sands. Our feisty friend the crow found himself parched and desperate for a drink. The heat had sapped his energy, leaving him weak, yet his spirit was unbroken. In his quest for water, the crow flew over fields of golden wheat and forests of towering trees. His keen eyes spotted something unusual in the distance, a glimmering object reflecting the sunlight. It was a tall, narrow pot, shimmering in the relentless heat. As he flew closer, he could see that the pot, indeed, contained water. But alas, the water was at the very bottom of the pot, far too deep for the crow's beak to reach. It seemed like the crow's search had been in vain. But remember, this was a crow with a sparkle in its eye and a quickness to its wings. An idea sparked in the crow's mind. He looked around and saw small pebbles scattered across the ground. One by one, he picked up the pebbles in his beak and dropped them into the pot. As each pebble fell into the pot, the water level slowly started to rise. After what seemed like an eternity, the water finally reached the top of the pot. With a triumphant caw, the crow bent his head and quenched his thirst. His cleverness had saved the day. And so, the story of the thirsty crow teaches us that no problem is too big if we approach it with cleverness and determination. It's about using our brains and resources to overcome obstacles, even when the odds seem stacked against us. Remember, it's not the size of the bird in the fight, but the size of the fight in the bird. And our friend, the crow, had a fight in him as grand as the sky itself. So, next time you face a problem that seems insurmountable, think of the thirsty crow and face it with your own brand of cleverness and determination. And that, dear listener, is where our story ends. A tale of a crow, a pot, and a handful of pebbles. A story that teaches us to never give up, to be resourceful, and to always believe in our ability to solve problems, no matter how big or small they may be.